Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Rog here again, aka the Gourmet Grandad. Tonight I'm going to show you how to cook a KFC. Well, it's not really a KFC, but it's along the same lines. It's a crispy deep fried chicken. So look out, Colonel Sanders, here comes Rog.
Now to assemble our ingredients. We need quite a few for this recipe, but it is important to get it quite right.
Here I have the spice mix plus 350 grams of all-purpose flour, and in this bowl here I've got the whites of 2 eggs. Into this large bowl we put our spice mix and flour. Give it a really good mix to incorporate all the spices. Now we take our chicken pieces one at a time, we coat these in the egg wash and then put them into the flour. The egg wash is going to make the flour stick all over the chicken pieces, and then the chicken can go straight into hot oil, very carefully I might add.
And deep fry for about 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or until cooked right through.
Then you end up with chicken that looks like this. Looks like the real thing, doesn't it? Looks like I've been out and bought it, but I haven't. I made it myself. So now for the taste test. Well, I've surprised myself. That tastes so good. It's crispy, crunchy. It's got all those spice flavours and herbs. Well, anyway, please try and make this for yourself. I'm sure you'll enjoy it if you do, and don't forget guys, subscribe to my channel if you've enjoyed this video, which I hope you have done, and give me a like, and I shall see you all again on the next video. Bye for now.